been a long time coming, but it's finally time to come clean with you guys. I'm leaving YouTube and I'm gonna be hanging out somewhere else with y'all. I couldn't keep a straight face. So this is just gonna be a quick video announcing that we're making our own community. So it is called the Real Estate Media Crew because I don't want it to be all about me. I want it to be all about all of us. I know that these industries can be kind of isolating and lots of us are just working out on our own, kind of being competitors to each other in the same cities and all that. So hopefully this can bring some unity across the nation, across the globe, wherever you're at. So the main goals for this are to be able to help each other. So I'm gonna be on there just like I am on my YouTube comments and in DMs and everything over the years, helping you guys out. But we're all gonna be in there so we can all help each other and learn from each other and share lessons while we're learning them, share our work, get constructive criticism, get feedback, and all sorts of stuff. Basically, it's just gonna be a really positive and helpful community that I want you to be a part of. So it's gonna be free to try out and see what you think, and then I'm putting a monthly fee on it just to cover like time that it's going to take to do the administration and as a way to support the channel and also get money to do new things and bigger and better things through the channel and through the actual community to bring even more value to you guys. We'll see. It depends on how big this thing gets. I've got a lot of ideas for what could work, but kind of need a budget for them to bring people together, to feature you guys somehow and do live things online or in person, travel stuff. You know, there's a lot of things you could do, but it just all depends on budget and what we can actually make work. So sorry about clickbaiting you on the start of the video, but I just thought it'd be funny. Everybody on YouTube is like making dramatic, leaving YouTube thumbnails and clickbait stuff, so I thought it'd be funny, but I'm not going anywhere, so I'm still doing this. I'm still doing YouTube. I'm just gonna be actually a lot more available on here to chat with you guys in real time, which is something I haven't really gotten to do over the last several years. I've been on YouTube, which is kind of stinks. Should have done this a lot sooner. So that's it. I'm really excited about this, to get to hang out with you guys and learn some stuff from you guys. So I'll have the link down below this video, and yeah, look forward to seeing you in there. Peace.